Hey guys, what's up? Instagram has just added polls inside the messages. So, inside of direct messages, you can now use the poll sticker. The poll sticker was available before inside an Instagram story, and when you posted things through the Instagram sticker, but now it is right inside the direct messages. Let me show you how to use it. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram mobile application, jump into your messages by clicking on top right corner of the screen. Then you will have all of your messages. So, under my messages, I could click this camera icon to send a picture, but if I don't see the someone here that I want to message to send this sticker to, I'll just press on the plus icon, and then I could just type in the username of the person at the top in the search bar, and after that I'll simply tap on the camera button right next to their name. Then from here you simply have to select the picture or any of the picture you want to select from the gallery. I'm simply taking a picture. Now to add the poll for the direct message, you have to tap on the sticker icon at the top, and here you'll see the poll. You can ask a question or anything which you want, then you can select the answers yes or no or any other option which you want. Once you are done, simply tap on done at the top right corner and tap on send at the bottom right corner of the screen, and it will send poll sticker in Instagram direct message. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.